Welcome to Hildestone College's quick lesson series where our teachers give you some English language tips.
Hello, welcome back to Quick Lessons. Today we're going to have a look at the verb remember and the patterns that follow it. So have a look at these examples. These use remember plus ing. Remember plus ing means have a memory of something. I remember learning to read. Do you remember leaving the party? Jane doesn't remember leaving the window open. Learning to read, leaving the party, and leaving the window open are all things that happened in the past. But you'll notice the verb remember is used in the present tense here. That's because in each case we're talking about having a memory now of these past actions. We're not actually talking about the action itself. Now have a look at these examples using remember plus to. Remember to do your homework. Oh, I didn't remember to send you the link. Sorry. Did you remember to get a card for your mum? Now the first one here is in the present tense. It's an instruction. You haven't done your homework yet, and I don't want you to forget to do it. So I'm instructing you to remember it. The other two examples are in the simple past. Now this is quite a common tense to use with the verb remember. Not the only one, but certainly a very common one. And I'm talking or asking about actions here, not the memories of actions. Okay, so in the second example, I didn't remember to send you the link. I'm apologizing for forgetting to send you the link. At some point in the past, I didn't do something that I should have done. And the third one is a question about whether somebody has performed an action or not, in this case, buying a card. So we've got two different time references really here. If you use remember plus ing, because we're talking about a memory now of something in the past, the something must have already happened. But the remembering is now. So we often use remember in the present tense for this one. If we use remember plus to, we're really saying not forget. It's used to talk about the actions themselves, and that's why for these often the verb remember is used in the past tense. Not always, as we saw with instructions for example, but very often. Now let's compare some sentences. Which of these do you think is most likely as a sentence you might want to say? I remembered posting the letter yesterday. I remembered to post the letter yesterday. Yes, probably you'll want to talk about actions that you didn't forget to perform. So in other words, actions you did perform. That means the second is the most likely. Both are grammatically correct. It's just that posting a letter is not usually, in most cases, an important enough memory to need to talk about it. If you want to say, yesterday I remembered doing something, but today I had forgotten that memory and suddenly for some reason I didn't remember doing it anymore, okay, but that's so unusual. It's very unlikely that you'll need to say it. Now, sometimes having a negative can make this difference a little bit clearer. So have a look at these examples. I didn't remember opening the window, but I could see the floor was wet from the rain. So I know someone opened the window. Possibly it was me, and I just forgot that I'd done it. It could also be that somebody else did it and I can blame them, but we don't know. The point here is I have no memory of this action, although I can see that the action was performed. I didn't remember to open the window. So the consequence, the result now, is it's really, really hot and stuffy in here. I wish I had remembered to open it because it's a really sunny, hot day. So here you can see we've got didn't remember in both cases, but with the second example, we have a result now of not performing the action, whereas the first one is only about the memory of the action. I hope that's helped. I hope it's made it a bit clearer for you. Remember to watch out for examples in the English that you read and hear yourselves, and it will all help. Okay, I'll speak to you again soon for another quick lesson. Bye!
Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please click on the like button, and if you haven't already, please subscribe and click the bell icon so that you don't miss the next video. That's it for this lesson. Until next time, goodbye.